Stella's Beers?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want for breakfast, babe?
How about mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese for breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds silly. What about toast with butter?
Well, that's okay.
Okay, toast with butter. I'm gonna make my coffee because coffee is so fun. And then I get to move my cup in and get to press the little button. Brew it. Measuring phone to Stellasphere.
Ooh, it's big.
Oh yeah, the Stellasphere is huge.
Yeah. Let's measure the Star Jetter.
Okay.
Okay.
The Star Jetter compared to it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, compared to the phone?
Yeah. Yeah, but first let's measure it.
Oh, okay. Well, first, what you gotta do is you gotta move the Stellasphere. All right, good job. And then let's take the tape measurer, and then you want to go from tip. So here's the tip. So there's the tip. There you go. So from there, I'll hold it, and then just to the end. Great, it's 5 inches. That's great.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Are you eating the dog bone? Elliot. Don't eat the doggy bone. Come on.
Is it?
Yeah, my coffee is ready. I'm so excited. Kids are fed and are watching Clifford. And I'm going to have my coffee now.
Can you get me a napkin for this messy eating?
Yes, I can, Clifford.
Look at the baby ocelot.
I would say so.
So cute.
So I try to come out here to have my coffee time. Now you can push again. Yay.
Let's go.
Louie.